Hey fam, Sunday evening, quick beat in. We'll try to get this done before I go off to work. Like I said, working that overnight shift, so trying to get something quick in before I go in because, of course, we're going to have those morning sessions get off in the AM. See if I can lay this bass line on here that I was feeling. Quantize it. %. That's one thing about the Native Instruments, their software. I like the Akai MPC, how that quantizes the notes. You know, it actually capture the notes as you pretty much play them. I'm finding out that, well, it's been like this since I've owned Machina. Even though I have it set for 16 notes, I have it set for 16 notes in my MPC. But the quantization, how it records it, is more accurate with the Akai. I'm just being honest, my opinion, than with the Machina. And I've noticed that over the years. But you know, make the adjustments. You try to play as close to the grid, you know, as you want, as you feel it, and hopefully, you know, the quantize will put it where it's supposed to be as you hear it and you feel it. Sometimes I do the 50% quantize, sometimes I just do the 100% quantize. But this is just a little groove, nothing major. Still want to come out right though. And these are all expansion kits from the Native Instruments expansion pack. Let's see. I have written down. I have 2 from Golden Kingdom, 2 from Helios Ray, 2 from Prospect Haze, and 2 from the Velvet Lounge. So it's 2 expansions from each of those kits. Transpose that down a little bit so I can be right here. Up. Something simple. go. Trying to find a good closed hi-hat. Accent. Bring this down a little bit. Okay. Saving it. Check my levels. Like I'm hot a little bit. That was on my master level, so my master level is good. It's not hot anymore. Crash at the end. Well, not at the end, but I had it somewhere in the middle there. Bring it up a little bit. just a little sketch. I can always go back, do whatever I want with it. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do, because I don't want this video to be that long, I'm going to take what I'm doing here and I'm gonna put it in Logic. That's going to be, I'll do a continuation of this groove here, put it in Logic, take it on out, make a whole song out of it, so that way you get an idea of how I do my production. So, once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and that feedback. Appreciate it. All this is done in the Native Instruments Machina MK3 alongside the Machina Studio. I only use that studio just to check my levels on my, especially on my master level. That's all I use it for pretty much, because I just like grooving with the compact size of the Machina MK3. But who knows? I might just sell off the studio. I mean, it depends. Somebody give me a good deal, I just can't give it away. But if somebody offer me a decent enough offer, I might consider letting the studio go. But other than that, I'm good. Peace out.